Katrina Kaif is training with Planche, a special gymnastic skill to do well in the action scenes with Salman Khan in Tiger Zinda Hai. If you thought that there is a Mr. Perfect in Aamir Khan, then we give the Miss Perfect award to Katrina Kaif. Yes, for all those who are a part of the Katrina fan club, then there is another news to rejoice, for the diva is training with her trainer to perfect her action scenes in the upcoming December thriller. As for Salman, we do know that he is being trained by the Hollywood stunt expert Tom Struthers for the crucial scenes in the upcoming movie. Planche is a gymnastic skill where you are parallel to the ground with the hands, and Kat is excelling in this. Isn't that wonderful, and doesn't it make us even more eager to watch the movie? Let us know how you feel about Kat's preparation for Tiger Zinda Hai. Tragedy has struck the Bachchan household with the demise of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's father, Krishna Raj Rai, who succumbed to cancer on Saturday. While the entire film fraternity rushed to express their condolences, there was one person who was conspicuous by his absence. Yes, you guessed it right. Salman Khan, the former lover of beauty queen Aishwarya, had given the prayer meeting a miss. We wondered if he still holds a grudge against the late Krishna Raj Rai for putting an end to their relation. The Salman Ash love story ended on a very bitter note, with Salman accusing her father of causing the breakup, while Aishwarya too confirmed that her father was miffed with Salman's behavior and hence asked his daughter to put an end to the relationship. While Salman did graciously accept Aishwarya's decision, it now seems that in his heart of hearts, he never forgave her father for what happened. While Salman did graciously accept Aishwarya's decision, it now seems that in his heart, he still had some grudges. Do you think his absence hints at this? Or is he simply caught up with his shooting commitments for Tiger Zinda Hai? Share your views by commenting in the section below. This morning, we showed you an after-shoot wrap-up picture of Tiger Zinda Hai. Well, that may be the only one you could see for long, for Bhaijan has disallowed sharing any picture of his upcoming flick. That is so sad, for Salman is the most sought-after star when it comes to a new movie. Yes, and fans do eagerly wait for all the updates from the film camp. However, Sallu has said no sharing of pictures, and this indeed means we would see less of Sallu and Kat together. Salman would also be wrapping up with his upcoming Tube Light, which indeed is a fascinating one, with Salman in a different look. This is with the Chinese star Suzu, and we are oh so keen to watch the flick. Aren't you sad that you cannot see the Tiger Zinda Hai pictures? Well, even by this time, the fracas between Kapil Sharma and Sunil Grover never seems to end. Now the two have parted ways, and Kapil has hired two more comedy actors in the loop. Yes, Raju Srivastav and Ehsan Qureshi have been considered to fill in the role left by Sunil and Chandan and Ali Asghar. Yes, it is only sad that these things happen. Readers and viewers would well be aware that on their way back from the Australian tour, the three had an argument and Kapil was totally drunk. Apparently, he abused Sunil or Dr. Mashhoor Gulati a lot, and Sunil took the drastic step of not being part of the show. The show must go on, and Dr. Mashhoor would be replaced by these newcomers. Well, it is not entirely up to the audience if they choose to like the change or not. But for now, Kapil's show is surely in the burner. So Nawazuddin Siddiqui is no longer seen in parties. Do you know the reason why? Well, the actor himself has said that he is not comfortable in the party ambience and feels out of place. So Sallu has stopped inviting him. Well, if Nawaz himself is not interested, then no one can do anything about it. Hai na? As for Nawaz, well, he is happy with roles that he is getting in movies opposite Salman Shah Rukh. In Rais, he won a lot of accolades for his wonderful performance. Siddiqui's scene with Salman in the epic Bajrangi Bhaijaan sure hit the right pot of gold in Bollywood, and today is quite busy with most of his films. As for Nawaz, well, it is all about talent and acting and parties. How about you? What do you feel about Nawaz's unique take on parties? Do you feel they really work? Alright, for those who always had doubts about Salman, the Sultan of Bollywood, here is yet another endorsement which only shows how fond of Raveena the superstar is. Yes, Salman, known as a friend to many, is also a good friend of Raveena Tandon, who claims he took her out of sport whenever she was one. All this and more would be seen in the upcoming Saturday episode of My Life, My Story. Patthar Ke Phool, the first movie in which the two starred, was a break for Raveena, who went on to making many more movies. Well, we do know how patronizing Salman is, and when it comes to old friends, then nothing like it. Raveena, famous for some of her great movies, is surely a happy woman with the full support of none other than Salman Khan. Whoa, way to go, girl. Well, this is big news. Salu and Kat are together again. But wait, before you conclude any further, we would like to tell you that Salman announced it as they are back together in Tiger Zinda Hai, his upcoming movie. Salman and Katrina have just wrapped up a shoot of Dil Diya Galla, and this picture is maybe straight out of the song. Salman had issued a diktat that nothing about his shoot should be shared, so we are only sharing whatever tidbits we are getting from Bhai himself. Salman was also busy posing for fans while on the Austria shoot, and we admire Bhai's patience with his fans when it comes to making things work the way they should. Salman is also coming up with his Eid release Tube Light, and things are looking really interesting for all Salman fans. The picture of Salman and Katrina, which was captioned as getting back together by Bhai, really is reason enough for Salman's girl to get jealous. Just last week, we told you how Lulia is not able to handle Salu's closeness with Katrina. Yes, Katrina is with Salman in Austria for Tiger Zinda Hai, but Lulia is not too comfortable about it. At least her fans are not happy seeing the first look of Tiger Zinda Hai, where Salman and Katrina are looking into each other's eyes. We all do know that Katrina went running to Salman when she broke off with Ranbir, and if they are getting back together, then there would be a section of people also welcoming it. Katrina and Salman were a hit in the thriller Ek Tha Tiger, and now with the sequel coming up, we sure are eager to know how it is gonna turn out to be. Meanwhile, we also wonder how Lulia is able to handle all this. Henna? Fans in Egypt were thrilled when the teaser of Salman Khan's Sultan was launched in theatres in Cairo, and their delight was uncontainable. The entire theatre was in an uproar as Salman Khan in his Sultan avatar appeared on the big screen. Later, fans were seen lining the streets with placards and banners, cajoling Salman Khan to visit Egypt. It was as if an air of festivities prevailed, and each one was eager to send their message to their dear Chulbul Pandey Salman Khan. Salman's fan following has really reached across the globe, and it seems that in this world of differences, the love for Salman is one unifying factor that bonds people. Meanwhile, Salman is presently in Austria where he's shooting for Tiger Zinda Hai. But despite his pressing schedule, he does manage to find time to spend with his fans. Still, we wonder if Tiger will plan a trip to Egypt soon. What do you think? Tiger Zinda Hai is the next Salman movie with Katrina, and just this morning we shared a picture of the two stars lost in each other's eyes. Yes, and Salman captioned it as them getting back together. Well, not in real life, but in real life for Tiger Zinda Hai. The movie being shot in Austria has Salu and Katrina back again, and Ali Abbas is directing it. With Kabir's Ek Tha Tiger's sequel really making a mark with the first song Dil Diya Galla being wrapped up, everything is exciting for the fans. They sure would love to see Kat and Salman back in real life, but of course that is not going to happen soon. But we sure would like to ask you which is the first look that you dig. Is that of Ek Tha Tiger or is it Tiger Zinda Hai? Bahubali 2 has managed to keep the viewers in a dizzy ever since its trailer has launched. Spectacular visuals, nerve-wracking war sequences, opulent sets and the strong and impressive characters team it with the eagerness to unravel the mystery behind Katappa killing Bahubali. The trailer created a furore on the web by getting 50 million views within a couple of hours, and now filmmaker S.S. Rajamouli has shared a special news that Bahubali 2 would be releasing in IMAX format as well. Now this is what we call a befitting release. The result will definitely be surreal and work wonders for the film. The second inning will take us deep into the lives of the characters and the history of Mahishmati Kingdom, and to watch the film in IMAX will be an experience worth waiting for. So are you excited? If yes, then do share your happiness by commenting in the section below. The Stanford Street was in for a shock when a die-hard fan of Salman Khan broke into an impromptu check on his very famous number "Oh Chane Chana" from Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya. The fans seemed to be completely smitten by the Sultan and dressed just like Salman in the film. The onlookers were shocked, amused and awestruck as the fans seemed oblivious to the crowd as he went about his moves. Now that's some fan following. Just recently, we reported how the theatres in Egypt were in furore when the trailer of Sultan was being screened, and now we have another fan from the Western world rooting for the Dabangg Khan. Salman's fans will never cease to surprise us. With fan-made posters, messages, selfies and love letters, fans simply can't stop trying to impress Salman. While we wonder if Salman will notice this dance, you let us know what you feel about this. We do know that Salman Khan is busy with his upcoming Tube Light, so let us tell you that he also has had the dubious distinction of having his film break SRK's record. Yes, while Shah Rukh has sold his film rights for Rs 125 crores, Salman's film has gone for Rs 132 crores, and the film distribution would be handled by Sallu's dad Salim Khan. Alright, so this cross-border flick is very much in the news since it was being made and was incepted. Kabir Khan would never disappoint the moviegoers while Salman is caught for them. So this unique combination, which already has belted out Ek Tha Tiger, Bajrangi Bhaijaan etc., would surely have something up their talent sleeve to share with the audience. Hai na? As for the flick, it is 3 months down the lane and Salman has wrapped up with the Kabir Khan flick and then has gone to do his upcoming Tiger Zinda Hai with Ali Abbas Zafar. Aren't you excited to watch Tube Light? This picture of Salman and Katrina is going viral on social media as it is straight from the sets of Tiger Zinda Hai. Well, we have been hearing Sallu say that he is not going to have anything shared of Tiger Zinda Hai from the sets. However, this picture sure is a hot thing and they really look so good together. Hai na? As for Salman, well, all is fair in love and Tiger Zinda Hai. What say? He is not only seen with fans but also is said to be shooting for the film in Austria with a lot of dedication. Well, we sure dig this pair and the bonding they have. Everyone knows that Salman and Katrina were a couple once, and then Kat had an affair with Ranbir only to break off last year. Now she is back with Sallu as a friend and the two are now all set to come out with Tiger Zinda Hai. Call it a savior of sorts. Hai na?